Hi, I'm Lexi. Do you know that run is widely recognized as one of the most versatile and flexible words in English, with over 600 distinct uses? Let's learn 12 phrasal verbs with run for now. Number 1, run into. It means to meet someone by chance. Example, I ran into my old teacher at the mall. Number 2, run over. It means to hit with a vehicle. Example, the driver accidentally ran over a cat. Number 3, run away. It means to escape or leave quickly. Example, the dog ran away from the yard. Number 4, run after. It means to chase someone or something. Example, the boy ran after the bus. Number 5, run through. It means to review or explain quickly. Example, let's run through the plan one more time. Number 6, run across. It means to find something by chance. Example, I ran across an interesting article online. Number 7, run off. It means to leave quickly or sometimes to print copies. Example 1, the children ran off after lunch. Example 2, could you run off 5 copies? Number 8, run up. It means to increase or accumulate. Example, she ran up a large phone bill. Number 9, run by. It means to tell someone something for their opinion. Example, let me run this idea by you. Number 10, run down. It means to criticize, also to become weak or low. Example, don't run her down in front of others. Number 11, run around. It means to be very busy, going from place to place. Example, I've been running around all day. Number 12, run for. It means to be a candidate in an election. Example, he decided to run for mayor. Hey everyone, that's our sprint through run phrasal verbs. Which one will you use today? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.